subtle layer. Subtle layer is the layer. All your emotions are subtle layer. So the emotion which you are not able to handle or measure by ordinary thoughts, which are just happening in you. That emotion is only called a subtle layer. We call it etheric layer. In Sanskrit, Sukshma Sarira. In this layer only, all the three pains which you experience in your life, physical pain, mental pain, emotional pain, all these three layer pains are recorded. Like a physical pain, all of you know, all the pains which you go through from the young age, whether knee pain, back pain, or all the pains. Mental pain is wherever your ego is hurt, wherever you say, oh, you know who am I, and they did not respect me, they did not treat me, wherever your ego is hurt, that pain is mental pain. Emotional pain means if you have trusted somebody with your heart and that guy has cheated you, that person has taken you for granted, taken advantage of you, that is emotional pain. So all these three layer pains gets recorded in the subtle body. I'll give you some of the important insights. Please understand, the first layer engrams the fear. All these engrams, only if you revisit that emotion again and again, it will become deeper and deeper in you. Only by revisiting, like a fear and all. The second layer, desire, again, if you fulfill them, only then they will get strengthened. If you work for it, fulfill, it will get strengthened. If you don't bother, if you have just dumped it, it will be there lying, it won't have any strength. Only by fulfilling, you will have more, you will give power to it. You will expand them by fulfilling. Third layer, guilt. Guilt, they will come up by themselves, but if you entertain them, if you have conversation with it, then it will get strengthened. But the fourth layer, pains, they will come up. You don't need to cooperate, you don't need to have conversation, you don't need to fulfill, you don't even need to listen, they will go on multiplying themselves. They are almost like a Atman, self-effulgent. They can torture you without your will or cooperation. See, guilt, even if it comes up, only if you have conversation, it will get strengthened. You can always neglect. But with pains, no need for any, you can't do anything. Just by their existence, they multiply. One more thing. It's a very, very beautiful truth. You see, when the pain first happens in your body, it's almost like a kind of a subtle fever spreading all over your body. Hatha Yoga Deepika, there's a beautiful book on the science of maintaining the body. It's a literature in the field of yoga, Hatha Yoga Deepika. It very clearly speaks about these pains. Not only physical pain, all three pain, physical, mental, emotional, all three pain. When this pain happens in your system, it spreads like a fever, subtle fever. The problem is, whenever this fever spreads, your cells fall in tune with that fever. They start enjoying that fever. The big problem is, first time when you feel the pain, 3 cells will start enjoying that fever. These guys, when they multiply, they will create the cells again which enjoys the fever. So when you have, first time when you have the fever, that pain is what I am calling fever. It's a subtle fever. The Ada Yoga Deepika describes very clearly 64 kinds of fever in our system. Even the lust, anger, all these things they describe as one kind of a fever. First, when the fever spreads, for example, 3 cells imbibe that fever. When they multiply, all of you know that continuously the cells are multiplying, creating the body. When they multiply, they create a cell which is ready to receive that fever, which is enjoying that fever. That fever becomes a food for the cells. So second time when you have fever, not just these 3, all these cells will be enjoying that fever. So naturally the suffering is more. Then third time, these cells when they reproduce, they will create a cell which enjoys more fever. Like a multiplying. That is why every time when you go through a pain attack, whenever you go through that pain fever spreading, next time, the experience will be intense. Every time the experience will be intense because your body starts enjoying it. Only in the extreme step, when your body can't tolerate anymore, when your parts are damaged, then it tries to escape, but that is too late. Whether it is a physical pain, mental pain, emotional pain, it is a fever spreading in your system. That is why Ada Yoga Deepika very beautifully says, fire, credit, enmity, pain. These 4, you should not leave even 1 inch. All these 4, you should not leave even 1 inch, because all these 4 will grow. Enmity, fire, credit and pain. Even 1 inch if you leave, all the 4 will explode. So because it will go on expanding by itself, it will continuously add itself, it will reproduce. See, 10th time when you have that same shower of pain or fear of pain, more parts of your body is ready to resonate with the pain, ready to suffer the pain, ready to go through the pain. You are continuously cooperating for pain. It's almost like you are inviting. See, after some time, if few thousand cells are ready for pain, even if you don't have pain, you feel you are missing something. You are inviting. You invite. You invite. See, it's like a few thousand people want to do program here, my program. Naturally, what happens? That becomes invitation for me to come and be here. Same way, a few thousand cells are ready to experience pain, waiting for pain. That becomes an invitation for you to start creating pains. All your physical pain, mental pain, emotional pains, by their own existence, they can multiply and prepare your body, expand, create more and more, even if you don't cooperate with it. Guilt or fear, other engrams, only if you support, if you have conversation with it, it can expand, it can become strong. But with pain, you don't need to do anything. That is why even little pain should not be left in your system. Now, we'll be entering into a process. I can say almost it's like a pain cleaning. We'll flood your system, acid wash, literally acid wash. Acid wash to clean all the pains. We'll do through 3 process, 3 step. Kundalini Shakti resides in this layer only. This is the layer where Kundalini Shakti resides. That is why you need to clean this layer first before awakening the Kundalini Shakti. Only if you clean this layer, the Kundalini Shakti can be awakened. First thing, go into all the physical pains you ever had in your body from the birth. Bring them back and relieve them literally. Don't have fear. Oh, if they stay back with me, what will I do? Don't bother. It won't stay back with you. Any pain you remember from the young age you had, whether it is some pain because of some surgery or fracture, whatever you had in the body from the young age, bring them all back. Invite them with deep respect. Please come back and stay in the body for a few minutes. Bring them back. Leave them. Just go into it. Feel exactly how it felt. Please understand. Consciously reliving how it felt. Do not give the title pain. Bring them back. Only see how it felt. When you had the tremendous back pain, how it felt. Bring it back. Knee pain, bring it back. All the physical pains which you had in your life, if you remember, you see, if you don't even remember, then forget about it. Then it's not there. It's already disappeared from your inner space. Whatever you can remember, bring them back and relive. Whether it is a headache, migraine, knee pain, all these pains, physical pains. Second, mental pains. Wherever you felt your ego is hurt. Some of the mental pains would have gone with the guilt. There are some which may not have gone. Dig them deep now. When I say that relive, go into it, I am asking you to bring it to the awareness so that it can be burnt once for all. It can be burnt once for all. It's a mystic process. Logically, you can't understand. Logically, you will always feel, if I bring it to awareness, I should suffer more. How come I am not suffering? It is coming, but it's not. There is no suffering. Means it's actually a intense mystical process. Go into it. Bring all your physical pain. First. Second, all the mental pain. Third, all the emotional pain. So if you are feeling that heaviness in the heart, allow it. Tears are rolling, allow it. Whatever is happening in your body and mind, allow it. Go into the depth of all three pains. Do not leave even one layer or 1 inch, one pain without reliving it.